If you're dealing with bleeding gums, tooth decay and sewage breath, and if the thought of eventually losing your teeth does not let you sleep at night, you need to know this. New research from the Dental Institute has proven this mineral gum can help people suffering from inflamed gums and tooth decay, no matter how advanced their dental problems are. Without any toxic medication or risky dental procedures, from the comfort of their home, more than 34,788 people have already managed to get back their perfect smiles without any effort. This video explains everything in simple steps. This mineral gum strengthens teeth and gums almost overnight. Don't worry, here's the solution. Do you know? This mineral in your mouth to rebuild your gums and teeth. It may sound odd, but it is scientifically proven. According to a Harvard scientist, swallowing these newly discovered bacteria is all you need to do to fix all your dental issues, from gum bleeding and teeth rotting to bad breath and cavities. These amazingly efficient bacteria work by reconstructing your enamel, the outer layer of your teeth, making them 20x stronger than a normal tooth. Like a titanium shield against cavities, root infection and enamel erosion. Some say their teeth are now stronger than a dental implant. Who would have thought that a candy could save anyone struggling with tooth decay and inflamed gums? This natural, soft candy has stunned both scientists and people all around the world. Simply let it melt in your mouth, after brushing your teeth, to get rid of cavities almost overnight. It will not only restore your teeth, but also rebuild your gums and eliminate bad breath. See here the amazing results of 34,788 people who have already tried this. Check out the link in the description, and in only 10 seconds you will find out if your teeth have aged prematurely and whether you risk losing them in the next 2 years. Find the test in the description and what you can do to rejuvenate your teeth and gums. Click link in the description to do the test in the next 10 seconds.